The industrial food that we eat now, it's non-kosher food.
Wow, that's a statement.
Okay? It's non-kosher food. Why? Because it's a poison, and we eat a lot of junk food, sugar and salt, and a lot of, it's not kosher, spiritual and physical, and look what happened with us.
Wow.
Exactly. But once that we understand that we need to come more to the source of the plants, the vegetable, and to eat that as Hashem created them, as they are, and not as we made that, then you can feel more spiritual. And that's what the Rambam say, you are what you eat.